Hi, today I'm going to make this very easy to make decoration piece which can be used for gifting or just as decoration in your homes. Materials I'm using are, this is a mirror cut into a circle. You can take any diameter but preferably 8 to 12 inches. This is a lace, golden lace. These are white beads. Some white colored rhinestones. These are floral shaped decoration pieces, and these are golden colored beads. So now I've taken this lace, the golden lace, and I'm going to stick this on the edge of the mirror because this can be sharp, so just to sort of make it safer and it looks pretty also. So just apply glue. Like this, and stick it. So I'll stick it all around the mirror. So after that has dried, it's going to look like this. So now I'm just going to take these beads, put some glue on the mirror and stick them. So stick it very close to the edge, like this. So I'll stick them all around the mirror. So this is how it will look. I put one line of these pearls. Now I'm going to stick more of these. I'm going to make another line like so. So after putting these two rows, now I'll just take this string of golden beads and I'm going to stick these around it. So I'll just apply glue and stick it around like so. So it's easier to do it when it's in a string, so I'll do that. Stick it. Like so. So I'll just stick it all around. So this is how it will look. Now I'm just going to put one more line of the golden beads. Now I'll just take these floral shaped beads and put them here in one corner in a floral, in a flower design. So I'll just use these and put them like this. Let's just stick them. So just take the glue, apply on the base and let it stick. So similarly I'll stick the others. After these have dried, just put some glue in the center and stick these beads on it. Like so, and then just put a drop of glue and stick these studs on it. Like this. So I'll do with all of them. So this is how it's going to look. Now what I'm going to do is just put some box or something, invert this and put glue on 4 points, so diagonally opposite points. and just stick these beads. So these will be the legs for the tray. Like so, and let it dry. So this is how it will look after it's finished. A very nice tray for just keeping it like this as a decoration piece, or you can, put your gifts here and then give it to people.